In this tutorial, let's have a look at Visualizer Enterprise Edition. While Visualizer Starter allows us to generate fully functional prototypes, Enterprise Edition provides us with tools to integrate these prototypes with services and allows us to generate application binaries for various platforms. Let's start by importing the application that we have already created in Visualizer Starter. As Starter and Enterprise editions have the same underlying architecture and file formats, projects can be seamlessly transferred between these editions. While importing the application, we can choose to copy the designer actions to developer actions. Starter and Enterprise editions maintain two different set of actions so that designers and developers can work independently without the fear of their actions being overwritten. Let's add a splash screen to the application that shows up while the application launches. We can also define services and consume the service output in the application. All the services are defined in Mobile Fabric console. Let's map the output of notification service to a label on the dashboard screen. A detailed look at service integration is part of integrating Mobile Fabric tutorial. Let's also set the app icon for the application. All these settings are accessible under the project settings. Now that we have configured the required things, let's build the application binary. We can build the application for various channels and platforms. Notice all the channels being shown on the build screen. Let's build it for iOS and Android to begin with. Context menu on the channel allows us to navigate to the final binary location. Visualizer Enterprise Edition allows us to configure various emulators and test the application on those emulators. Let's define an iOS simulator. Now that it is defined, we can run the application in the simulator and test our functionality. There we go. The app is running on the emulator and the service output is also mapped to the dashboard screen. Thank you for attending the tutorial on Visualizer Enterprise. If you have any questions, post them at community.kony.com.